Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file a complaint in a consumer forum against Amazon. First, understand the types of complaints these forums handle, such as issues with defective products or unfair trade practices. It is crucial to gather all relevant documents, including your order details, any communication with Amazon, and payment proofs. Always attempt to resolve the issue directly with Amazon first, meticulously documenting every interaction and their responses before proceeding. Next, you need to identify the correct consumer forum. This choice depends on the value of the goods or services and the compensation you are seeking. Once identified, draft a clear and concise complaint. This document should detail the specific issue, the relief you are requesting, and all the facts supporting your claim. Remember to include your personal details, Amazon's information, and a chronological account of all events. Once your complaint is drafted, you can file it online through the National Consumer Helpline portal or your state's Consumer Commission website. There will be a prescribed filing fee, which varies based on the claim amount, typically ranging from 25 rupees for smaller claims up to 5,000 rupees for larger ones. Remember to attach all your supporting documents electronically, ensuring they are clear and easily readable for the forum. After filing, you will await the forum's official notice to Amazon. Be prepared for potential mediation sessions or formal hearings. It is crucial to be ready to present your case and all your evidence clearly if the matter proceeds to a hearing. The resolution could involve various outcomes, such as a full refund, a product replacement, monetary compensation, or even a combination of these remedies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.